Time management. One day, an expert in time management was speaking to a group of business students, and to drive home a point, used an illustration those students will never forget. As he stood in front of the group of high-powered overachievers, he said, "Okay, time for a quiz." And he pulled out a 1-gallon mason jar and set it on the table in front of him. He also produced about a dozen feet-sized rocks and carefully placed them, one at a time, into the jar. When the jar was filled to the top and no more rocks would fit inside, he asked, "Is this jar full?" Everyone yelled, "Yes." The time management expert replied, "Really?"
He reached under the table and pulled out bucket of gravel. He used some gravel in a shock. The yard causing piles of gravel to work downside down into space between the big rocks. He then asked the group once more, "Is the yard full?" By this time the class was on time. Probably not one of them answered. "Good," he replied.
He reached under the table and brought out a bucket of sand. He stayed dumping the sand in the hole, and it went into all of the escape left between the rocks and the table. Once more, asked the question, "In this jar full?" "No," the class shouted. Once again, he said, "Good."
Then he grabbed a pitcher of water and began to pour it in until the jar was filled to the brim. He then looked at the class and asked, "What is the point of this illustration?" One eager viewer raised his hand and said, "The point is, no matter how full your shoe is, if you try really hard, you can always fit some more things in it." "No," the speaker replied, "that's not the point. The truth is, this illustration teaches us is, if you don't put the bigger rocks in first, you'll never get them in and up."
What are the big rocks in your life? Tell what your loved ones, your fights, your education, your dreams, awards, cause, teaching or monitoring others. Remember to put these big rocks in first, or you'll never get them in at all.